Hey friends, CloudBart here. It's Monday morning. I'm getting excited for another week of recording, editing, and otherwise enjoying the cloud computing world out there. I hope you're having a great week. I hope you're staying strong, and don't get discouraged about your cloud studies. Keep working hard. I know you can do it, and you'll get those certifications and those exams. Hey, if you got questions, reach out to me. Dip into the 100 Days of Cloud community there as well. Maybe join us over there on Slack if you're a CBT Nuggets member as well. Beyond that, I really encourage everybody to get out there and take a look at how they can start blogging. Not only is bringing up a blog a good technical practice for your cloud computing training, but it's a great chance for you to go and share your experience with others. And that might mean the difference between someone giving up, get discouraged, or making that final cut and pushing on through it. It's really important to me. Along those lines, if you've got a good blog article that you've written recently, send it my way, give me a tag. I'll be happy to retweet and share it. I'd love to help build that community. Big deal to me. Now, on top of that, got some exciting things going on this week. This afternoon, a new 1-minute identity and access management lesson is going to be dropping around 1 p.m. East Coast time. So if you haven't caught up on those, there's links that are going to be flying around and in the descriptions as well. So try those out. And of course, join me for the new one that's dropping today. I try to keep them out there pretty regularly. Last week, it was the blue-green deployments video, also live on the YouTube site, so give that a shot if you haven't had a chance to look at it. All fun, free content that's available. And then beyond that, I've got my CloudPod episode where I got to join the folks at CloudPod's TCP Talks coming out sometime this week. I'm not sure exactly when they're going to drop it, but I will let you know as soon as that's available. It was a good conversation. I got to give it a little preview last week. I can't wait for you guys to check it out and enjoy it. Let me know what you thought of it along the way as well. Beyond that, SysOps course is hot and ready to go out there in the CBT Nuggets catalog. So if you haven't had a chance to check that out, remember, we got a 7-day free trial membership. You can get almost the whole way through the course in 7 days if you wanted to sign up and give it a shot. So I'd love to hear from you there as well. Beyond that, keep blogging, keep learning, have a great week, and we'll see you in the cloud.